This video will demonstrate how to navigate content in Brightspace as a learner. On your course homepage, navigate to Content. Content allows you to view your course schedule, the table of contents for all your course content, and shows all the modules for your course. When you select Course Schedule, you can see any events scheduled for today and tomorrow, as well as any events upcoming within the next 7 days. You can also view the full schedule for your course to see all upcoming events for the duration of the course. In Table of Contents, you can view all the modules, assignments, discussions, and quizzes that you will complete throughout your course. Each of your course's modules are displayed as sections beneath the Table of Contents tab. By selecting any module, you can view the content available for that module. The progress bar below the title of the module shows your completion rate of the module.